Hi, I'm Connor, co-founder of Priority Bicycles. We designed the Priority 16-inch bicycle for kids graduating from a balance bicycle to their first pedal bike. We focused on making the bicycle high quality and low maintenance, with features specifically targeting the new rider so that it's easy to ride, durable, and clean. Our key design features start with the bicycle's freewheel design paired with dual handbrakes. For children who learn to balance on a balance bicycle, they typically find it difficult to ride bicycles with coaster or foot-activated brakes because their instinct is to move their legs both forward and backward while riding. The freewheel allows a rider to balance without stopping and keep their momentum that they've built. The dual handbrakes are specifically sized to make it easy for smaller hands to activate. The brake levers have a reach adjust feature as well, so you can dial into the perfect reach for your little one's hands. The Priority 16 features a signature design element that we have on all of our Priority bicycles, a Gates belt drive instead of a traditional metal chain. A belt drive is a game changer when it comes to children's bicycles. It's clean, lasts 3 times longer than a chain, never needs to be lubed, and will never rust. That means no messy hands for your child and no routine maintenance for you. With mid-rise handlebars, the 16-inch gives your child an upright seating position. With an aluminum frame and aluminum adult-grade components throughout, the bicycle is lightweight, weighing just under 16 pounds. This is important because your child doesn't weigh much, so having a lightweight but stable ride is important for their comfort and their confidence. Other key components you'll notice on the bicycle include a quick-adjust seat, kickstand, and front, rear, and wheel safety reflectors. And if your young one is close to riding their first two-wheeler but just needs a little help to get there, the 16-inch is also able to accept aftermarket training wheels. We recommend this bicycle for children approximately 3 to 7 years old. However, the best measurement is your child's inseam. To confirm the size is right for your child, measure their inseam with shoes off, ground to the top of the crotch. As a note, at this age, most children ride flat-footed, so their inseam and the seat height are the same. The Priority 16-inch has a seat height of 18.5 to 23 inches and is ideal for inseams of the same measurement. Our goal is to have a bicycle that is easy for the parent to maintain and enjoyable for your child to ride. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime to info@Priority Bicycles. We'd love to have your little one riding a Priority.